Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated action cameras of 2024, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's take a closer look at what makes this camera stand out and why it's going to dominate the market this year. DJI has once again focused on creating a durable action camera designed to withstand the most extreme conditions. The robust frame of the Action 5 Pro is reinforced, ensuring it can survive rough impacts, drops, and weather conditions, making it a perfect companion for adventurers and extreme sports enthusiasts. The improved build isn't just about durability, it's about delivering stable, distortion-free footage in high-intensity environments. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or biking through rugged trails, the Osmo Action 5 Pro's enhanced body ensures that your shots remain stable and your camera secure. What truly sets the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart is its brand new 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, which is a game-changer in the action camera industry. Action cameras have historically struggled with low-light performance, often producing grainy or noisy footage when lighting isn't ideal. The Osmo Action 5 Pro truly shines in low-light settings, thanks to its larger sensor and enhanced image processing. Action cameras are often used in unpredictable environments, where lighting isn't always perfect. Think of nighttime adventures, early morning hikes, or even indoor sports arenas. Osmo Action 5 Pro, nighttime cityscapes, underexposed hiking trails, or dimly lit skate parks will no longer be a challenge. The combination of the larger sensor and advanced algorithms ensures that users can capture smooth, noise-free videos, making the Action 5 Pro a top choice for filmmakers, vloggers, and casual users who love documenting their travels and adventures. The Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers 4K video at a staggering 120 frames per second, FPS, ensuring smooth, detailed footage, even in high-speed activities like snowboarding, skateboarding, or mountain biking. In addition to the 4K capabilities, the camera supports multiple shooting modes, including hyperlapse, time warp, and enhanced HDR video. The Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts an upgraded battery that offers extended filming time, even when shooting in 4K or utilizing stabilization features. This means more time capturing incredible moments and less time swapping out batteries. DJI has yet to confirm an official launch date. Industry insiders are predicting a release in the second quarter of 2024. Stay tuned to Tech Titan Reviews for more updates and detailed reviews as we get closer to the launch of this remarkable device. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest news in tech.